In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off your DMs on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is go to your profile and then click on the three lines at the top right of your profile. And then you can click on settings at the bottom on an Android device, and it will be somewhere on the top on an iOS device. Click on settings, then you want to go ahead and click on notifications, and then you want to go to direct messages, and from here you can switch off your message requests. As you can see, I have it turned off, and then if you scroll to the middle of the page it says messages, and you can select off, and I'm going to select off, and now my DMs are turned off on Instagram. And that's how simple it is. So if you got some value out of this video, I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.